So tell me, what will be the functional group? Yes, only Hamza has the mic on.
Sir,
Hamza, you will
E.
not. Hiba, Khalid, Salman. What is the functional group? Functional group is?
Sir,
E.
on. Oh yeah,
In
sir.
the first one, right? First one.
Yeah,
Hai na?
E.
E. Unsaturation?
Sir, En. En.
En. En. Very good. Parent?
Oct.
Achha. So we will start. There are a few terminals. Okay. Let me name 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should start with which terminal? All of
Sir,
you.
1.
Hiba. Okay. Khalid, Salman, Hiba. What happened? Why are you guys silent?
Sir, from
Okay.
1 we will start.
हाँ, keep the mic on. बंद करिएगा, हम बाहर कर देंगे आज क्लास में, सच में बता रहे हैं. Keep the mic on. Hamza and Hiba, both of you also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll start with 1. Okay. Now tell me, where should I go? Towards 2 or towards 3?
Sir, towards 4.
4.
Towards 4. Towards 4. All of you?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes.
Keep the mic on. Keep the mic on. There's no problem. Are you having echo? Are you guys getting some echo?
No, sir. But
No,
like there
na?
are sounds around us, so that's why.
No, there's no sounds around us. You don't want those sounds to be shared. It's not,
No, like
no problem.
noise-
I'm hearing some
noise.
sounds. It's fine. It's fine. I can bear that. I can bear that. Okay. So parent will be okay. Now, as we are writing the parent now, then here only we will do the numbering only. Okay, numbering also. So let me just erase this 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can have 2 types of numbering. I can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can go from here 1. Let me use some other color. 5, 6, 7, 8, or I can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all of you tell me which one, red or green?
Red. Sir, red.
Red. Hiba, red.
yes, sir.
Okay, so oct it is. Okay, it is oct. Now we will go for substituent. So substituent are what? Substituent is, this one is substituent, correct? And this is one substituent, right?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, let me just remove this, all these things, which is making it clumsy. And we'll just write 6 here. So what are the substituent? We have, what is this group?
Methyl. Sir, ethyl.
Ethyl, na? 2 carbons. 2 carbons, na? Ethyl. What is this group?
Methyl.
Methyl.
Hiba, you're not answering any question. Methyl. Okay, so ethyl is in which position? Hiba?
4.
4th carbon. So it is 4 ethyl. And methyl is in 5th one?
5th. Yes, sir.
So this will be 5th methyl. 5 methyl. Okay, now tell me which should be preceding, which should come first in the name, ethyl or methyl?
Ethyl. Sir, ethyl.
Ethyl, right? So you'll write 5 ethyl. Then whenever you have numbers, na, they will be
Sir,
separated
4
by a
ethyl.
dash.
4
Sir, 4 ethyl.
अच्छा ओके भाई मार ही दोगे आप लोग तो वो 4 ethyl. Okay, so this is 4 ethyl, this is 5 methyl. Thank you. 5 methyl oct. Okay, now what about the unsaturation? It will also change, na? So it will change
Yes,
to
sir. 2 in.
2 in, correct?
2 in.
Oct 2 in. Okay, so how many of you got this correct? Khalid,
Me,
did you get
sir.
this correct?
Yeah,
Hamza, you have
yes,
got it correct. Correct. Heba, what about you? You got it correct?
Yes, sir.
You got it correct. Okay. So I think let me just write the names of different functional groups. I mean different the structures, and then you can compare the names. And if you have any doubt in them, then you will just tell me, sir, explain that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this will be, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 carbon. 9 carbon. Parent is 9. Functional group is OH, right? Functional group is OH. Then we have ethyl here, and we'll start from OA 1, 2, 3. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this will be start with 4 ethyl. How many of you are correct till here? 4 ethyl. Is anyone correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
4 ethyl correct. Okay, 4 ethyl. Then you will have non. Then you will have 3 non, ane, 3 ol. Correct? Hamza, Hiba, Salman, Khalid.
Yes,
Sir, actually, I got stuck in this one.
You got stuck in this one. Okay.
Yes.
So बताना चाहिए ना आपको. अच्छा, functional group, you got functional group, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you must be getting stuck in the numbering only, right? Or parent chain.
Yes, sir. Parent chain.
Parent chain. Okay. So
Parent
terminal.
chain.
Parent chain 1, 2, 3. Which terminal should I start from, Hamza? Hamza,
The
which
one.
terminal? Why 1?
Sir, because it will have the function group.
Nearest to the functional group. Right? We'll start
Yes,
from
sir.
nearest to the functional group. Okay. So we'll start from here 1, 2, and we will have 1, 2, 3, and this way, right? Towards 2, longest. Now you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get it now, Hamza?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me for the 57. I'm writing the E. So it's 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4, 4 dimethyl, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hex 2 ine. Okay. So tell me, is this correct, Khalid?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct?
Yeah, sir. I got stuck here.
You got
Because
stuck
of
here
the
in what?
substituent. The
Substituent.
substituent part.
Acha, so parent chain, see, this is the parent chain. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Khalid,
Yes, sir.
this will be okay. So 1, 2, because we have to give preference to what? The triple bond. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So we have methyl here. We have methyl here. So the substituent is methyl and methyl. So dimethyl, and you have to tell the position for both of those methyls. So the 4, 4. That means both the methyls are what position?
Oh, that's
3.
why
If you have
4, 4 came.
that is why 4, 4. Okay.
Okay. I got only 4.
No, 4, 4.
Okay, sir.
You have to tell the location for all of the methyl group, all of the substitute. Okay, so let us move for the 5.58. Now this will be let me write this 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is again 4, 4 dimethyl. 4, 4. Oops. This will be 4, 4 dimethyl. This will be dimethyl, and this will be cyclohex. Cyclo hex in 1 on. Cyclohexane 1 on. Correct? Or no?
Yeah, sir. All correct, but just I didn't write the last one.
It's fine. One can be omitted. One can, I mean, or if you have written it like this, 4, 4 dimethyl cyclohexanone. Correct? You have written it like this?
Yes, sir.
And that is fine. That is fine. Okay. Now what about this one? So there is no functional group, right? There is no functional group. See, we will directly go to the see, unsaturation is AN. We know that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let us write all of that. Okay, let me just erase this part. Let us write everything. So the functional group is E. Then you have unsat. Unsaturation is AN. Then you have the parent. So parent, where will we start from? 1 or 2? Where should I start from? 1 or 2? 2, na? Because it is nearest. Okay, whatever. I mean, if you have substituent, then you will rank the substituent. 1, 2, So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we have some substituent. We have chlorine, and we have two methyls. Okay, we have two methyls. So parent first of all, this will be hex. Parent is hex, right? Parent is hex. Then we have the substituent. So substituent are a bit more. So in substituent we have 2 chloro. Then we have a 3,3 dimethyl. Correct? 3, and then 4 fluoro. So which will be first, chloro, methyl, or fluoro? Chloro, methyl, or fluoro? Please,
The chloro.
fluoro. And after that?
Fluoro.
Dimethyl.
No, not dimethyl. Di is a number.
Oh,
Methyl
sorry.
is the group's name.
Fluoro.
Okay. Yeah. So 2 chloro, 4 fluoro. Then you will have 3,3 dimethyl. Hexane. Okay. Got it? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. What about this one? We can start from here. Then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct? Only one, so this is methyl. This is 3 methyl. Then you have 4, 5, 6, no? Yeah, 6. 3 methyl hexane. That's it. 3 methyl hexane.
Sir, it should be hexene, right?
Yeah, sorry. Hex2ene. Sorry, yeah.
Hex2ene, yeah.
Yeah, Hex2ene. I just ignored the double bond. I don't know why. Okay, now this one will be, they will see, this is a bit tricky. As you can see that the terminal carbon, this is, you can see terminal carbon, this is also terminal carbon, but also remember this is also terminal carbon, okay? Here. So we'll start from 3. And we'll go towards 1 and we will count the number of carbon atoms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbon atoms are here, right? Yes or no? Any problem in the numbering of parent chain?
No, sir.
No, na? And the functional group is amine. So, and we have only one substituent, which is ethyl group in the second carbon. So we'll start with the substituent, which is 2-ethyl. Correct? 2-ethyl. Then you have pentane, 1-amine. Pentane, 1-amine. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is also important. See, here you will be seeing that 1 and 2. These are two terminal carbon. You can easily see, but this carbon is also terminal. Okay, this is also carbon, which is terminal, and obviously where will be starting from? 1, 2, or 3?
So 3.
3, na? Functional group, hai na? Functional group. So we'll
Yeah,
start
sir.
from 3. Now where should I go? 1 or 2? Where should I go? 1 or 2?
Towards 1.
Anything is fine because
Because same.
yeah, they are same because they are same. Okay, and the functional group is oic acid, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is what? This is propyl, normal propyl only, na? This is not isopropyl. Okay, this is isopropyl का यहाँ से connection होता, normal propyl, 3 carbon propyl. So this will be 1, 2. So this will be 2 propyl. 2 propyl. Then you have 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbons. Pentane, right? Or ene? AN or EN?
Sir,
AN, na?
AN.
AN, right? All of the carbon-carbon
AN.
single bond. 2-propyl pentane. Then 1 oic acid you can write, or oic acid directly. Pentanoic acid. There is a space between oic and acid. Okay, there's a space here. Just remember that. There will be a space here. See, these are easy only, है ना? बहुत ज़्यादा tough नहीं है. Obviously, you should go from functional group and then unsaturation, parent, substituent, and so on. But see, this is the functional group. Okay, this is the functional group. So this is a bit important to us. This is the functional group that we have to keep in mind. And we have 1 and 2. Where should I start from, guys? Where should I start from?
2.
1 or 2?
2.
2 now.
From
so
2.
we start. Yeah, very good. Why 2? Because functional group is near. Okay. Please remember, we are not considering the double bond because functional group is there. Functional group has higher priority than double bond. Start with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You have 8 carbons, right? You have 8 carbons. So this will be, and you don't have any substituent. You don't have any substituent, correct? So we'll start from oct. अच्छा ये हम बता देते हैं आप लोगों को. If you have such examples ना, then this is functional group. This will be OL, unsat. This will be EN. Then you have parent, which will be, and unsat it will be transforming to 2EN, and OL will be transforming to 4OL. Okay, and parent is what? Parent is oct, and there is substituent. Substituent is none. So you start from oct 2EN 4OL. Okay, oct 2EN 4OL. So please write with me. Oct 2EN 4OL.
Sir, excuse me.
Got it? Mm-hmm.
When we will write hydroxy?
What? When you will write hydroxy?
Yeah, hydroxy.
I will give you example. Okay, I'll give you example. So let me just write for this one. So the okay here this will be a bit tricky. 1 or 2. Tell me, where should I start from? Which terminal?
From
1 or
1.
2? From 1, right? Because double bond. Okay. See, many people will be saying नहीं ये सही नहीं है, lowest low can देखो. No, double bond. एक rule लेके चलिए. Now I'm saying that there can be some other right methods also. Okay, I'm not denying that. But you will stick to one method. Okay, you will stick to one method. You have the priority for functional group, double bond, and then triple bond. So double bond will get the priority. You will get the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? 5, 6, 7, and 8. You have chlorine, methyl, chlorine, and methyl. So substituent we will write here. Substituent are 5 chloro. You also have 5 methyl. We have 4 fluoro, and we also have 5 methyl. Correct. So this 5 methyl and 5 methyl, they will no. Sorry. We have 6 now, 6 fluoro and 6 methyl. So this will become 5,6 dimethyl. Yes or no? They will become 5,6 dimethyl.
It's a different element, right?
Huh? Different?
Different element, right? Like
No, methyl is same only. Me. What is different?
we had CH3 that time.
Sorry?
Like in the
We
other
had?
question, methyl was just CH3.
In every question, methyl is CH3 only.
Yeah, in this ME.
Oh, bhai. You don't attend the class.
I do.
Huh? You do. Acha ji. You attend the class. ये देखिए आप कुछ दिख रहा है आपको? Can you please focus in this part?
I guess I didn't read that, but I skipped it. Sorry.
Different element. Different element. Methyl, na? So this will be what? 5 chloro. Hamza, Heba, you guys are understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 methyl. 5 meth. No, sorry for that. 5 chloro. After that, you have 6 fluoro. After that, you have 5,6 dimethyl. The names they will be long, but please bifurcate करके उसको तोड़ के लिखिएगा हो जाएगा आसानी से, है ना? And then also you have 2-ene. There is double bond in the second one. 2-ene. So the best part is that you write it like this and then only write the name. Okay. So you have all the parts.
Sir,
You
you
guys are done?
forgot oct.
अच्छा, I forgot oct ना, यही होता है, पेरेंट वेरेंट नहीं लिखने से यही हो जाता है. मिथाइल ऑक्ट. Oct to in. Done?
Yes, sir.
You have a class on Tuesday also. I have to see your test thing. Isomerism भी है, so Saturday, Sunday you guys have.
We had it like you said we were going to have a Viva.
You will have a Viva.
That was missed.
That was?
It was missed, right?
No, it is not missed. Why it is missed?
No, I
हम
mean,
हैं, आप हैं, तो कैसे मिस हो जाएगा? Just few questions only ना. I'll ask just few
Sir,
questions. Okay.
physics and chemistry, it will be together or individual?
Chemistry is today.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday I told na. Did I tell or did Mr. Sir tell you about the Viva?
no, that was like before yesterday.
Yeah, sir.
Before.
Nishkar sir said on Sunday.
हाँ, yesterday तो not yesterday, Sunday. Sunday we had a very long class. No, that is why I did not take the Viva. Okay. चलिए. Now let us move on to naming of aromatic compounds. Okay, and Salman, you will get the answer of hydroxy here. You will get the answer for hydroxy here also. Okay. Let me give you an answer for hydroxy before that only. For example, you have COOH and you have an OH group here. So Salman, you will tell me functional group. What is a functional group? Salman.
OL.
OL. अच्छा, there are two functional group ना. आपने practice एकदम नहीं किया, पढ़ते नहीं है क्या आप notes?
Sorry, oic acid. Oic acid.
Unsaturation. Unsaturation.
En. Sorry,
What?
AN.
अरे parent. Parent how much? How many
10.
carbon? Huh?
5 are there. 10.
एक बात बताओ, I am not the only one ना who cannot understand what Salman is saying in the first time. Hamza,
10. Sir, sorry.
Yes, sir. I heard 12.
you heard 12 ना? Khalid, what did you hear? Khalid,
Yeah, clearly 12.
12 ना? हाँ. Now Salman, tell me how many carbon atoms?
10.
हाँ, ये क्या बोल रहा है सुने आप लोग? Did you guys hear? No, Salman, don't
Pent.
say now. Don't. He's saying pent. I'm asking how many. He's saying pent. Okay, how many carbon atoms, Salman?
There are 5.
हाँ, 5. जो पूछा जाए वही बताइए 5. Okay, otherwise I also hear 12. Okay, parent is pent because of 5 carbon. And what is the substituent here? See, we have already mentioned carboxylic acid as the functional group. So what is left? Only the OH now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes, sir.
this OH will be hydroxy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is now hydroxy. Also, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this will be 3-hydroxy. So the name will be 3-hydroxy. Then you'll have pentane oic acid. Okay, again there is a space here. So see, most probably in the examination we will be getting these type of questions only. Okay, I'm not expecting very tough questions for you guys. So this is, I mean, this is one of the questions that you can get. I mean, this type exactly तो नहीं मिलेगा, but this type of question you will get. So please write this down. आज you will be getting over with the IUPAC nomenclature completely. Aromatic compounds बचे हैं बस थोड़ा सा. We will do that and it will be done. But practice is, I mean, the main key. Okay, so I will give you again 5 questions. Acha, you have not completed that, na? Hamza, Hiba, Farid, Salman, all of you.
No, sir, not completely. Like 4 were left.
No. Okay. So I will. So see, you already have the recording. अगर आप लोग सच्चाई का साथ देते, सत्यमेव जयते हैं, तो please do the remaining. And plus that, I will be giving you only 5. Okay, Hamza.
Okay, sir.
All of you, Salman, Khalid. 5 questions I will give you. Okay, 5 questions.
Okay, sir.
Now write for naming of aromatic compounds. Okay, naming of aromatic compounds. So see, this is very easy. Okay, this is very easy.
Sir,
What are the
what
is
about
aromatic?
stereoisomerism?
स्टीरियोआइसोमेरिज्म अभी बहुत टाइम बाद. Okay,
No, okay, sir.
स्टीरियोआइसोमेरिज्म is बहुत टाइम बाद. So I'm just telling you that it is a part of name, but don't worry about it. Neither in your NCERT they will be asking about stereoisomerism, neither in the question they will be asking you about stereoisomerism. Okay, stereoisomerism is a big topic. That is why we will cover it later. And उसमें कुछ chances नहीं हो. If you have double bond, cis or trans होगा. If it is single bond, then it will be R or S. Okay, so there is not much scope of naming, but conceptually it is a large topic. It is not only used in nomenclature, it has also some other application. That is why I will be teaching that separately. Naming of aromatic compounds. So we all know that we have different parts in a name: stereoisomerism, then we have the substituent. After that, we have the parent, correct? And after that, we have the unsaturation. And at the end, we have the functional group. At the end, we have the functional group. See, the beauty of aromatic compounds and benzene-like structure is that from parent, unsaturation, and functional group, this will be covered in the word benzene. I mean, instead of writing all this, you will write benzene in the end. Okay, we'll write benzene at the end. Benzene at the end, and then you just have to look for the substituent. And we know that we will be covering stereoisomerism later. Okay, stereoisomerism यहाँ पे आपको नहीं देखना है. You just have to look at the substituent, and then you will end the name with benzene. Sorry for the spelling mistake, benzene. Okay. There's only 2 rules. End the name with benzene. And then you have to other groups attached, other groups are treated as substituent. Done?
Yes, sir.
So for example, so this part is the benzene. Okay, you have seen benzene earlier or no? Have you seen
Yes,
benzene
sir.
earlier? You have seen benzene earlier, no? So now tell me, this is the benzene. What is the substituent here? Okay, nothing is functional group here. Benzene, unsaturation, parent, everything is covered in benzene. Parent, unsaturation, functional group, everything is covered in benzene. What is the substituent here? What is the substituent here?
Hydroxy.
So this will be hydroxy benzene. Okay. Okay. Now write some more.
Sir, can you show the part?
Up part. आप इतनी देर से क्या कर रहे थे? You have to write everything, Salman.
No, done. Only the last line.
अच्छा last में. So this will be, second one will be what? Hamza, Hiba, Farid, Salman. Second one is what? What is the substituent here? What is the substituent? अरे कोई नहीं जवाब दे रहा है.
Methane.
Sir, methyl.
Methyl benzene.
Methyl. Yeah. Sorry.
What about this one? Chlorobenzene.
Chlorobenzene.
What about this one? NH2 is amino, na?
Amino, yes, sir.
Amino.
Aminobenzene. What about this OCH3 is methoxy. This is OCH3, methoxy. This is methoxy. Benzene. Okay, methoxy benzene. हिबा आपको आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So here this is aldehyde, and aldehyde is written as formyl, okay, oxo or formyl, but here we will use formyl benzene. Formyl benzene. Please write. Let me know if you're done.
Done, sir. The carboxybenzene. Okay, carboxybenzene. This is 7. This is OH. Now let us go to the first one, okay, hydroxybenzene. So see, there are few which are very common. So the first one, second one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, and the seventh one. Okay, so these are very, very common. They come in organic chemistry many times. So that is why, to shorten the names, na, hydroxybenzene बहुत बार लिखने से बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So they gave this a generic name, which we say as phenol. Okay, this methyl benzene was given as toluene. Chlorobenzene, not chlorobenzene, because it is not very common. But we have aminobenzene, which is known as anisole. Sorry, anisole is the methoxy, no? This is aniline. This is anisole. Benzaldehyde. This is benzoic acid. There's a space here. Benzoic acid. Okay. So please remember, see, you will always see benzaldehyde. Okay, you will always see benzaldehyde. You will never see formyl benzene. You will always see benzoic acid. All the others you can see, but benzaldehyde and benzoic acid, you will mainly see these two terms. Okay. So although formyl benzene and carboxybenzene, these are fine, but these are not used generally. Okay, these are not used. What are used? Benzaldehyde or benzoic acid. Okay, so please write these terms also. This is a bit tricky because you have to learn these parts more majorly. Okay, these parts: phenol, what is toluene, CH3, aniline, NH2, anisole, OCH3. Okay, so the substituent here is only one OH, only one. Okay, in toluene you have one CH3. In alanine, you will have NH2. Anisole, you will have OCH3. In benzaldehyde, you will have CHO. Okay, in benzoic acid, you will have COOH as a substituent. Please write this down. Done?
Sir, wait on the last one.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, लिखिए आराम से लिखिए, आपने कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Sir, why did you put a cross on 3, by the way?
Chlorine does not have, I mean, it is not very much common. That is why it is cross. This is correct. Okay. Chlorobenzene नहीं होता है इसमें.
Done, sir.
Is anyone still writing? No. Let us see an example and understand how will we name this. Okay. Acha. Can you see a common name fragment here? When I say common name fragment, can you see a fragment that can have a common name? So what I'm saying is this part. If I remove the bromine, what is this yellow part can be named as? This yellow part can be named as phenol, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So we will take phenol as the end. We will take the parent, the substitute. I mean, the parent will be phenol now, and bromine is substituted to phenol. Okay. How will we study this? We will say that bromine is substituent in phenol. In phenol. Okay. So what we will have for bromine, it is bromo phenol. Now we also have to tell now where is the bromine. So see phenol, the OH, this carbon will get 1. Okay. The parent one gets the number 1. So bromine will be 2. So this is 2-bromophenol. This is 2-bromophenol. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, you can also have see this can also be named as like this. Okay, this can be also named as, let us say you can have 2-bromo 1-hydroxy. Bromo 1-hydroxyphenol. Okay, this is the systematic naming can be done like this. So both of these are correct. What about this one? How can I say this? Chlorine is attached. On chlorine is attached on
Benzene.
okay, not benzene, a common name ना, एक common fragment दिख रहा होगा आप लोग को. NH2 लगा रहता है benzene में, क्या बोल? No. अगर NH2 लगा रहता है, then what is the name for that benzene? See above ना, we have done that just now. As we did this is phenol ना. Similarly, what will be that structure?
Aniline acid. Aniline, sorry.
Amyline.
अरे भाई आप लोग गलत लिख लिए. Sorry, I'm sorry. I should have wrote it very nicely. This is aniline. Aniline. Line. Okay, this is line. This one is anisole. ANISOLE. ये दिख रहा है आप लोगों को ना? ANISOLE.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so I will say chlorine is attached on aniline. So this will be chloroaniline, correct? Chloroaniline, and this will be getting 1, 2, 3. So this will be chloroaniline. You guys got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do this one. What is this, Salman?
Methyl.
Very good. Let me write methyl here. Okay, so first of all, you will tell me the parent. What is the parent here? What will be the parent? Salman, Hamza, tell me.
Sir,
Hamza, you were
hex.
saying. नहीं हेक्स नहीं, वैसे नहीं. हम पेरेंट का मतलब ये पूछ रहे हैं कि इनमें से कौन है. It can be either benzene or any one of these highlighted ones. Okay.
Yes,
यहाँ पे
sir.
पेरेंट का. ओके, यहाँ पे बताइए, आप पेरेंट बताइए क्या होगा.
Sir, benzene.
नहीं हाईलाइटेड में देखिए ना, कुछ दिख रहा है आपको जो फ्रैगमेंट है वैसा. यस खालिद, टेल मी.
Benzenoic acid.
Benzenoic acid है ना. There can also be toluene and benzoic acid. Benzenoic acid, benzoic acid होगा ना. Benzoic acid है. Khalid, it is benzoic acid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will write benzoic acid. Hamza, did you get this? Hiba, Hamza.
Yes, sir.
Benzoic acid. Okay, now this substituent. First, then you will number it. So benzoic acid में कौन सा होता है? This group is due to COOH group, it is named benzoic acid. That is why it will get 1, then 2, 3, 4. Correct? The other way of numbering could be this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So tell me which is preferred, black or red? Which will be preferred?
Red.
Red.
देखिए इसमें आप लोग क्या करना है, देखिए नंबरिंग देखिए आप. सो अगर हम रेड को देखते हैं, सो इन रेड वी हैव at one position we have some substituent, then we have some substituent in the 1, 2, 3, 4, plus we have in the 5 1. Okay, so this will be equal to how much? 10. If I look at the black one, we have some substituent in the first one, then उसके बाद कहाँ पे है black में?
Third.
Where do we have the third one and then fourth one, na? So if we add this will be equal to 8. Now tell me which should be preferred, black or red?
Black.
The black.
Black one, na? Lowest locant. चलिए आप लोग इतना, if you are getting understanding these things, this is fine. Okay. So the substituents, you have 3 nitro, then you have 4 methyl. So which will come first? Which will come first? JKLM, na? Methyl. 4 methyl, na? JKLM. After M is L.
Okay.
4 methyl, alphabetical order. 3 nitro. No, there is no space here. Okay, I'm sorry. Benzoic acid. Okay, so first thing is that you will identify the parent from one of those. Just don't stress if you don't get it right for the first time. Please look at your notebook and tell. Okay, आप लोगों को अभी कोई जल्दी नहीं है, अभी आप लोगों ने तो देखा ही ये सारी चीजें. So please look at the notebook, practice while having all the functional group with you and everything. So let us look at the last one, then we will be done with this class.
Sir, can you show this one? Parent names again? 1 second.
All these.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it's visible, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
You're done?
Yes, sir.
So please write this now. एक सवाल करते हैं. You have 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes से आराम से कीजिए आप लोग. But please remember 2 things you have to identify. First of all, parent, and after that only, please look at the parent, ना? Then subsequent. बीच में कहीं पे आपको नंबरिंग करनी होगी. इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे ऑक्टाहेड्रल. Yes, Khalid, parent is correct. Go for subsequent. Dibromo na, Khalid.
Oh yes, sir.
Hamza, Heba, are you done? Did you guys get the parent? Hamza and Heba.
Yes, sir.
What is the parent?
Anisole.
Anisole, very good. What about Sanman? You got it? Anisole?
Yes, sir.
Substituent will be what? You got the substituent, Hamza?
Yes, sir. Dibromo and 4-chloro.
And what bromo? This is 2,3, na?
Yes, sir. 2,3.
2,3 dibromo, 2,3 dibromo, 4-chloro, aniso. चलिए, तो आज के लिए इतना ही. By the way, Hamza, Hiba, you guys are on laptop. Salman, Farid, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Achha. So can you just go to YouTube and search for SHR Chem?
Yes,
You guys
sir.
got it? Yes.
Yeah.
So in that, go to playlist,
Okay.
organic IUPAC nomenclature made simple. Can you see that playlist?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you have any doubts now, so these are very short videos. You don't have to watch the whole. We got 6. I mean, not 6, but approximately we did like 4 or 5 hours of IUPAC nomenclature. But can you see all these things? Introduction. You can leave the introduction. You can leave the TLDW. Then you can start with functional group, unsaturation, parent, and substituent. Okay. There is also stereoisomerism. If you want to watch it, you can watch it, or you can skip it. Then numbering is important. Okay, numbering and then examples. Okay, so if you have doubts somewhere, na, so please refer to one of these videos if you cannot understand from the notes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is me only. This is me only. Okay. And then I have to give you some questions, right? Just wait a second. Let me
Sir, how do you find these channels?
This is my channel.
Oh, okay.
I never got any channel which was having IUPAC nomenclature, so I had to
So you
make
made it
this.
by yourself.
So I made by. So instead of 5, I'm giving you 4 questions only. Okay. Please write this. Write the name of. नहीं 5 कर ही देते हैं ना, एक आपका वो कर देते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं आपका बेंजीन वाला कर देते हैं, करेक्ट.
Sir, do you edit these videos?
Yeah, completely mine.
With what do you edit, sir?
Edit and I have done this only with PowerPoint.
Wait,
recording सब कुछ हो जाता है ना PowerPoint में.
no editing, nothing?
Editing, what do you mean by editing? Like cut,
Funny clips and stuff.
and like in between you have cuts ना, like इतना take दिया फिर उसके बाद you have to do once more, that type of
Yeah.
editing.
Yeah.
नहीं, nothing.
You do straight. Oh, okay.
No, that is slide by slide recording.
Oh, okay.
Okay, slide by slide record.
Sir, if you want a logo, just ask.
If you want,
Logo.
I don't want anything. It was. I'm not serious about that. Okay, it may be looking like it is very professional, बहुत अच्छे से, because that is how I work. But I am not very serious about that channel. It is just for those IUPAC nomenclature lecture. And the other one lecture is there for octahedral splitting, which is a topic in 12th standard. That I sent as, there was one place for in Khan Academy. I got selected in Khan Academy also, but the teaching was not live like this. That is why I said, नहीं भाई video बनाते नहीं रहना, भाई बच्चों से interact करना है. So that one video was for that interview, octahedral splitting for Khan Academy, and the others are for you guys. Not only you four, my students. So have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Viva, है ना?
Yes.
So I will ask simple questions only. Okay. Simple questions only. So we have just learned chemical bonding, right? We have just learned chemical bonding, correct?
Yes.
है ना? अभी just खत्म हुआ chemical bonding. Hamza, Hiba, Salman and Khalid. Okay, so first Hamza. You will tell me about Vesper electronic geometry. Geometry, shape are different. उस notion में आ जाइए आप, दिमाग में वो सारी चीजें ले आइए. Geometry is different, shape is different. Do you guys remember that, Hamza?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will tell me the geometry. You will tell me the geometry for the hybridization sp3d. sp3d.
Sir, geometry for sp3d.
Yeah, sp3d.
Uh,
Don't focus on, see, देखिए answer बताने का बता. See, this is Viva, this because I want not only to give the results to the parents. Tell me, बताइए.
Sir, it will be trigonal bipyramidal.
Yeah, okay, correct. So whenever you are thinking about it, na, for sp3d अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है, then think about near to it. For example, sp. Just go for the simple sp linear होगा, sp2 trigonal planar होगा, sp. Then just think about things which are near to what you are looking for, है ना? Then you will get the answer. Okay, Hiba, you will tell me about, let us say, okay, if two atomic orbitals are combining, okay, Hiba, how many atomic orbitals are combining?
2.
2. Then how many molecular orbitals will be made? How many molecular orbitals will be made if two atomic orbitals are combining? If anyone else knows the answers, they can send in the chat. Yes, Hiba, can you please keep the mic on? If two atomic orbitals are combining, then how many molecular orbitals will be made? Yes, Salman, that is correct. You can't remember, Hiba?
Yes, sir.
You can't remember.
No, sir. 2.
2. Okay, why did you take so much time? Acha.
I was confused.
Confused. What we were confused with? No, Khalid. 2 only, na? If there will be 2 atomic orbitals, linear combination of atomic orbitals, whenever you, हमेशा 2 ही atomic orbital combine करते हैं. And what are the molecular orbitals formed by the combination of atomic orbitals? There is 2 types of molecular orbitals formed, right? one has lower energy, one has higher energy. Correct? Hamza, Khalid, Hiba.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are those two? Can you name that? Which is lower in energy? There are two molecular orbitals, two type of molecular orbitals, bonding and anti-bonding. You have to tell me which is lower in energy, bonding molecular orbital or anti-bonding molecular orbital. Yes, Hiba, Khalid, Salman, anyone? Copy
Sir,
mat dekhiye.
bonding.
Sir, bonding molecular
Bonding,
orbital.
okay. Bonding, okay. Okay, bonding. अच्छा तो आप पढ़ना चालू कीजिए, आप लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं, बहुत हल्के सवाल हैं ये. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक, है ना. These are very generalized questions. Okay, start. Please start. Okay, please start reading. Okay. Now lattice energy. You remember lattice energy? Some starting class ionic bond. In that we had lattice energy. So lattice energy is dependent on two factors. What are the two factors? Raise your hand if you know it. Lattice energy. Raise your hand and turn the mic on if you know the answer. Lattice energy depends on two factors. What are those two factors? Raise your hand and turn the mic on if you know the answer. Oh,
Sir,
no
can
one
you
remembers.
send in chat?
You know the answer? Or
I'm
you
not
want to
sure about the answer.
tell. What are the two factors?
Sir, anion and cation radii.
Okay, and the other one? If you don't remember it. Okay, Khalid. Khalid raised the hand first. So Khalid, tell me.
Yeah, sir, I only remember anion and cation radii. There's
And
some
Salman,
Size, radius.
size. Okay, so you forgot the very important one. What is the first thing that we check? Acha, if I will give you a question ना, तो थोड़ा आप लोगों को ध्यान आएगा. If you have, for example, let us say NaCl and you have MgCl2. कुछ याद आया? What is the other thing that we check? Hiba? नहीं,
Size.
Charge.
साइज तो हो गया.